taking a picture of him this corner. Christopher, what are you doing? Get up. Get up. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? Oh, get back up. What's that? You're just getting in everything now that you're walking. What are you doing? You trying to follow me? Get you. I know, get up and run. Get up and run. Ah. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You spinning in circles? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get up. Get up. Get up. You better get up. Don't you crawl. Get up and walk. Stand up. Get up. Good boy. Oh, nope. Get back up. Oh, I gotcha. Oh, there you go, big boy. Yay, big boy. Yay. Get up. Get up. Show mommy. Show everybody what you're doing. Show everybody what you're doing. I'd say throw yourself down. Hyper. Stand up. Walk. Walk. Go to the window, see sisters. Stand up. Stand up. Chris. Monster buggy. Stand up. Get up. Get up. Good boy. Good boy. Don't step on that rug. You're going to go sliding. You're my big boy. Just think 5 more months and Chris will be 2. Oh my gosh, he will be 2 years old. He's getting so big. Oh, you acting like you got knocked out? Oh, goodness. Oh, that's fake. You're so fake. You're funny. Get up. Get up. What are you doing? Chris, don't pull your shirt up. What you pulling your shirt up for? Chris. Junior. 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 Buggy Wuggy. Buggy Wuggy. Buggy Wuggy. Buggy, look. Look at mommy. Look up at mommy. What are you doing? Yeah, you like this, don't you? Don't tell me shh. You don't tell me shh. You shh. No, air. Stop. Nope. Put it back. No playing with clothes hangers. Nope. Put it back. Good boy. Put it back. Put it back. Good boy. Come here. Get up. Get up. Get up. Good boy. Yay. Say hi, good baby. Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. No, say hi. Love you. Hi. Say mommy. What about daddy? What's daddy doing? What's daddy doing? What's daddy doing? Oh, you are just so fake. You're just so fake. Leave the chairs alone. What are you doing? Buggy. Like you.